Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Creative Tool School. My name is Vincent. I received a question on my channel about Picsart creative photo editing. So I'm going to show you how to install Picsart creative photo editing app. A lot of people are asking if Picsart is free. You can get free subscription, but with limited features. So there are subscription one and also free version of it. Go to Play Store, then type Picsart, Picsart, Picsart. Install it on your phone. It's downloading. Then open it up. Picsart. Now, from this, it will ask you to connect with your Google account or connect with Facebook, connect with Snapchat, continue with email, register by agree to terms and condition. If you already have an account, you sign in. If you want to use the free version, you need to select skip. Try for free, pro, upgrade to pro and transform your content with 10K plus templates and premium AI tools. So you have, depending on your country, you have 12 months subscription and the total will be £45.49 total. You also have monthly one for £9, depending on where you reside. If you look for it, then it will tell you the amount in your local currency. But also you can continue without trial. Cancel it. How comfortable are you with editing? You can skip this or I'm new at this. I've got basic down. I know what I'm doing. So you can select features, for example. But if you don't want to select any of these, you can also select skip. And also if you scroll down, you will see some of the templates on the top. It will show you create, try pro, photos, videos, templates, allow, then you see templates, remove background on your photo. You have option for you to add text and also remove background, remove, collage, retouch, effect, freestyle, AI enhance. Then photo, you have AI avatar. So when you select photo, it will show you the photo you have on your mobile phone, for example. When you select video, it will show you the videos you have on your system in case if you want to retouch it. Then if you go to the photo, for example, if you want to remove background on photo, then you select edit an image or video. So select edit an image. Then it will take you for you to bring any image you have on phone. So I'm going to bring this image, pay or continue on 7 days trial, cancel it. Once you cancel it, then it will bring the image for you to work on the image. You can remove background, but remove BG is pro. So you need a pro subscription with it. Select smooth and auto. They are free one. If you want face retouch or HDMI portrait or blemish, so these ones you need pro version. So some of the tools are free, like soft blur. Smooth is free. So you have auto smooth, manual smooth, erase. Then when you select auto smooth, once you done that, then you select OK on top. Select the good mark on top. Then you select download. So these are the things you can do. You can select skin tone is free. Try on is free. Hairstyle is free. Hair color is free. So there are free features you can use. But if you want to go into more, so some features are pro, so you can still use this free. So you can reset eye, reshape, restore. So these are the things you can do with the free version. But if you want more into details, and once you touch it, particular one, reduce, restore, enlarge is also free. Refine is also free. And once it's done that, then you select good to save it. Then you scroll to the side for you to see any specific feature, like smooth, for instance. Smooth is free. So there are features you can use free of charge. Once you're done, then you select good mark on top of it for how to download Picsart and also some of the features. Thank you.